Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a gradient overlay onto your text. Now, if you have your text ready to go and ready to be edited, just go to your layers panel, find your text that you want to edit, right click it, and then go up until you find blending options. And then you're going to get this panel right here, layer style, that help you add a gradient overlay onto your text. Now just go until you find gradient overlay, click it until you see the check mark, and I see there's a gradient overlay on my text. Now the blend mode. Right here, you don't have to completely worry about it since it's on text, but you can probably mess with it here and there onto it if you like. I would just keep it normal dither. You don't have to completely worry about this either since it's on text. Now with opacity it's a bit different than how you will see on other things. If I lower it instead of like fading out or anything, it actually just go to a solid black color rather than just fading out. So depending, I guess, however faded or not you want it, or like to like a solid black color, just do however you want. Gradient. This thing right here, you see this like color fade right here? You can click on it and this will help you change the gradient presets, like whatever. So you see right here, I have some presets ready. If I want to change it to blue, I would just click on right here, and that's how you change it right there. The other way you can change it, it will be more specific. Like you see this bottom left square right here? If you click it, you can actually change the color and everything. So let's say, so just click the color box. Let's say I want to change it to like a red. Does it go all the way up? Press OK. Oh, I can't move this yet. So let's say I press OK. You can do the same thing on this bottom right corner. If you want to change this light blue, I'll just make it to like a lighter blue. Press OK. And then just move it. As you see, it changed the color to this blue and to this red. Reverse, as what it says, it just switches the places of the colors. The red was right here on the right side, the blue's on the left side. Now they're switched, they're reversed. So you can just put it however you like it. Style, you don't have to completely worry about it because of it's on text, but radio makes it'll be like in a circle. Like I see, it's like a circle. It won't really show well because of the because it's on text, but think of it as a circle from the center and it goes all the way faded out. As you can kind of see it on the sides. If I like put like scale, the center circle will be smaller, but you don't have to completely worry about that. Angle, you don't have to completely worry about angle. And reflection, you can see it. Reflection's like a cool little thing right here. It's like it's surrounded the middle instead of like a circle. It's like stretched out. Here's reflected, as you see, and here's diamond. Diamond is what it says pretty much. And align with layer, you don't really have to worry about it, but you can do if you like. I'll change this back to linear. And then here's angle. Angle will help you like however you want to move your gradient. As you see right here, if I move to like 16, there's the blue, there's the red. If I put like 176, it's similar to like how you do with reverse, but you can change it however you want this time. So let's say like one like that, like 48. There it is. Now it's like overlays blue, gradient is red. Reset alignment, you don't have to worry about that. Scale will like help you, I guess, how big you want your, how do I say it? Your center, like the center fade to enlarge, or if you want them to just be like right there together. It's hard to say, but you can see on the preview, like the fade, like it's more faded out the bigger the scale. Like they're more blended. But whenever you lower it, they're just more together. So you can just, depending on how much of the fade scale you want it, just keep it like that. I'll put mine like right here. I see I can make it like this too, depending. Straight line right here. And with method, you don't really have to worry about these too much. You can just keep it to classic. And there you go. That's how you add the gradient overlay. Just press OK right here whenever you finish with it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.